This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Todd Durnall. What a great opportunity! Make this home yours with a little TLC, ready for your choice of paint and flooring. This nice size home features a new HVAC system installed in 2019 and new windows this year. A spacious owner's suite includes full bath and walk-in closet. A large and beautiful stone fireplace adorns the living room. Enjoy the patio off the kitchen and dining room overlooking the large backyard, and just beyond is a mature wooded area. The basement has a one-car garage and a large and spacious laundry room. An additional large room in the basement could be a third bedroom, workshop, etc. This home is being sold as is. The sellers are unable to make any improvements. For more information, review the details below or contact Todd Durnall at 812-32